Welcome to this course, guys. So in this course we want to talk about animation. Yes, animation is to be a very big concept when it comes to animating. So I just want to search for animation so that we can get the concept behind animation before we proceed. And now it says animation is the art of creating the illusion of motion by displaying a rapid sequence of static images or frames. The whole idea behind animation is that you giving a static image or giving an image motion. So it's more like motion graphics, but not really motion graphics, is animation. Animation has their own vector and character sets. So if we check the images around animation, we're going to get the idea of what animation is all about. So we have different types. When you come right here to images, you see these different sets. They are all animation. So it used to be hand drawn before, but right now you can use AI to create different animation sets. That's the reason this course is right here. You're going to learn how to create different animation style, how to create a scene or scenery out of these animation styles, how to create content with them. So all you need to do is to have the AI tool you want to use. You don't need to go through the traditional way of animating. Before, if you had to animate, you have to draw, like what you're seeing right here. You have to draw, you have to draw your characters. Once you have your characters drawn, you have to set different vector points to create motions, but all this can be automated and can be done in no time with what we want to learn in this course. So there are different animation styles. We're going to talk about different styles. 3D, there are different types, as you can see right here. There are traditional animation, which says frames are drawn or painted by hand or celluloid sheets. And we have 2D animation, we have 3D animation with CGI, which is computer generated imagery. We have stop motion. So these are all animation, and we have key principles and processes. 12 principles of animation. Here is a lot of things to learn, but we don't need to go too deep into the theory parts because this course is meant to be highly experimental. Most of the things we're going to do, you'll be able to replicate them and you'll be able to create content out of the animated characters we'll be creating in this course. Before, if you were to go into animation, you need to use tools like Adobe Express, Adobe Effects, Blender, and so on. But with AI, the process of creating animated movies, animated content are basic now. You don't need to do too much. So these are the things we are bringing to this course. So we're going to talk about animation in full, and you're going to enjoy the course because it's highly experimental. If you've not enrolled yet to the course, do remember to enroll as we go to the next lesson to talk about different types of animation, the tools we want to use, and so on and so forth. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.